so excited to see this movie.
And now, your feature presentation.
It's starting!
But first, make sure you go down to concessions to buy our $30 popcorn.
This is tartar sauce. You gotta dip the fries in a tartar sauce.
Who dipped fries in tartar sauce? Alright, start the video.
Alright folks, y'all ready to make some of this flaming hot butter? And you can make this butter with any cheese from these macaroni packages. But we're gonna use this one today. We're making flaming hot butter, y'all. All you're gonna need is this package here, a stick of room temperature butter, and you can use your hands, but I'm gonna use a processor here to get mine stirred up. But that's all you need here. And keep these shells. Well, I'm gonna keep these shells because I'm gonna make some macaroni with that first. Go ahead and get my butter all chopped up. And folks, there you have the flaming hot butter. I rolled mine up in some saran wrap. You can use parchment paper or whatever you choose, but there it is, folks. Your own flaming hot butter. I'm just squeezing the last bit of air bubbles out, but it's done. Sit this up in the fridge and it lasts just as long as your butter will. Your very own flaming hot butter.